Hey, howdy, and hello from all of us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. It's time for another episode of Friday Fabric Finds. This one is for the week of April 17th, 2026. I am Clint. I am a kit and bundle manager.
And I'm Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
So without any further ado, let's get started.
This first collection is from Moda. This is Summer's End. This is featuring patterns, charm packs, jelly rolls, fat quarter bundles, Maisie Daisy quilt kits, as well as assorted yardage. This fun and summer collection is featuring patterns such as florals, leaves, words, trellises, wisps, and in colors of pink, red, green, and cream. So if you're a fan of the summer collection, make sure to pedal to the metal with Summer's End.
It's not even summer, and I still can't wait for it to end. It's already too hot. The next collection we'd like to talk about today is Milky Way from Henry Glass. With this collection, we've got the star-studded quilt kits. The quilt kits are due to ship next week. We are waiting on patterns to arrive. We've also got panels and assorted yardage. Does the whole collection glow in the dark?
I'm pretty sure.
The whole collection glows in the dark. All right. This collection has patterns such as astronauts, spaceships, planets, and stars in colors of blue, gray, orange, and white. So if you're a fan of space and the cosmos as much as I am, blast off to your next project with Milky Way.
Dude, space is so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Are you a fan of space?
Oh yeah, it's my favorite thing in the world, and it also is the most terrifying thing to me.
Yeah. I love the idea, like in reality, like looking at it, we're just so small.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And that's just so cool. As you guys may know, this year is the 250th birthday of the United States of America. And so this collection we have is from Riley Blake. This is called Independence. This collection is featuring needle minders, table runner kits, the American Independence boxed quilt kits, as well as assorted yardage. We've got patterns of florals, flags, drums, stars, and the 13 colonies in colors of red, cream, blue, and gold. So make sure to celebrate America's 250th birthday with independence. What is 250 called? Semi-quintessential?
It was like
Sasquatch?
sesquicentennial, I think, is what it was. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's sesquicentennial.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. It's the Sasquatch century.
Celebrate America's Sasquatch century with independence.
All right, coming at you next, we've got a collection called Ghostly Soiree from Benartex. With this collection, we've got fat quarter bundles as well as assorted yardage. The patterns on this one are very Halloween forward with jack-o'-lanterns, ghosts, cobwebs, ghost towns, words, candy canes, and dots in colors of orange, purple, black, and white. So if you're already looking forward to the spooky season, make a spooktacular quilt with Ghostly Soiree.
Ooh. Next up, we've got a collection from Three Wishes. This is called Dinosaur Trails. As the name suggests, this collection is full of dinosaurs. Featuring with this collection, we've got fat quarter bundles as well as assorted yardage in patterns of dinosaurs, stripes, silhouettes, and scales in colors of green, orange, gray, brown, and cream. So if you're a fan of dinosaurs as much as I am, make something roarsome with Dinosaur Trails.
All right, y'all know what time it is. It's time to talk about a little taste of the rainbow Kona scrap bundles. Each of these bundles includes 3 pounds of Robert Kaufman Kona cotton solid scraps, adding up to about 8 yards of fabric total. Every bundle is different, which is half the fun. You really don't know what you're gonna get. These bundles are composed of pieces that are approximately 3 inches to 10 inches in size. So if you need, just some extra fabric to pad out your stash, treat yourself to these A Little Taste of the Rainbow Kona cotton scrap bundles.
Next up, we have this really beautiful table runner from Benartex. This is called the Sunnyside Table Runner Kit, once again from Benartex. This is featuring golden blooms, easy stitching, and the kind of cheerful finish that brightens up your sewing room. The finished size of these table runners are 22 inches by 34 inches. They are a quick little make with big Texas sunshine energy. So don't be shady, brighten up your table with the Sunnyside Table Runner Kit.
Now, as always, it is time for Comment of the Week. As you may know, we like to pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. And this week, our comment comes from Barbara H2281, who says, "Good morning. The Farmhouse Sampler fabric line is great and Berry Besties is so cute. One question, what are the days and hours that your store is now open? Have a great weekend." Well, thank you. We hope you had a great weekend as well. I'll be honest with you, I primarily work in the back. I'm not entirely sure what hours we are open. I know that, when I'm here during the day, people show up and they shop, but you might know that a little bit
I
better.
do know the answer to that, which is why I was giggling a little bit. Barbara, the hours that we are open for specifically in-person shopping is going to be Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. I know a lot of people are super excited that we're in person now. And there you go. Feel free, if it's Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., feel free to come in and shop. And with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time that we make an upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. You might be featured on Comment of the Week, and make sure to follow us on social media. Links are down in the description. And with all that being said, we'll see you next week. Bye.